Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today is a layout for a really fun game in a group that I'm doing, a group that I'm in. The group is Girls Down Under. We are Australian and New Zealand scrappers, and we've got this really fun game going at the moment. It's called Sketch It Forward Layout Tag Game. So what it is, one person picked a sketch and then sent it to someone to use it as inspiration to do a layout. They have 3 days to create the layout. They send a clear photo back to the organizer of the game. Then that organizer sends that person's layout as inspiration to someone else, and then they have to create a layout within 3 days, send it back to the organizer, and it keeps going along until everyone who wants to play along has had an opportunity to create a layout. And then at the end, the organizer shares them all in the group, and we'll see, it's a bit like a Secret Whispers version of scrapping, I guess. So you'll see the change from the first layout to the last layout. So I will put on screen here the layout that was sent to me to use as inspiration. And when I saw it, I got really excited because I thought, yes, I know exactly, something popped into my head straight away. I know exactly what I want to do. So these are the photos I am scrapping. It's of my daughter when she was at daycare, and they are just so cute. Their little face, honestly. This child is going to turn 20 this year, so it's taken me a long time, and I've never actually scrapped these photos before, so, you know, I've got a lot to catch up on. Anyway, so I'm going to cut these and put them on the one sort of piece in the middle. And then the background I think I'm going to do in stripes with an embellishment cluster in the bottom right corner. So what I'm using is Beautiful Life collection by Eco Park, and this is an old one. You've seen me use it before, and I'm getting down there in what I've got left, but I think I can make it work, because when you look at well, when you see what I'm going to do, the diagonals along the back on the base of the page will be covered in the middle by a piece of cardstock, so they don't have to be a continuous length. They can, you know, be cut in the middle, which means I can use smaller lengths. I don't need a 12 by 12 strip of cardstock, so of paper. So anyway, this is the papers. These are, I'm excited to get going. I just want to do it. These are the papers I have decided to use. I don't know if it was one of those or the green side. I could do both. And then this one, not the music side, but this one. And then I've got an array of embellishments here as well that I can use. Lots of things on the sticker sheets left. So, yeah. And then there's also the sticker sheet, which I've hardly used. There's alphas and stuff on it. Oops, hang on. Oh, okay. And then these ones I don't think I'll use. So I've got all these at the back as well. There's some offcuts here that I might be able to use as well. Love using the scraps up. So yeah, anyway, that's what I am using. And I have these Free Spirit enamel shapes again, and I'll probably use the mint ones. The apricot and the dark blue don't really go with what I'm planning, so I'll probably use the mint ones. But anyway, that is the plan. That is what I'm doing. So let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page. Oh, I think that came out really, really cute. It is so pretty. I love the idea of the stripes on the back. And you can see I didn't measure anything. I just went, yeah, well, that strip will work, and I glued it down. And if it wasn't long enough, it was too short, I just found another bit and attached it. And I didn't measure. They're not evenly spaced, and then one of them was crooked because down here they all sort of bunched up together. You can see a little bit down here. Hopefully no one will notice, but something was crooked somewhere. But so I pivoted, and instead of having my main cluster in this corner down here, I just put it in this corner, so it covers up most of that error, and you wouldn't even know it. Most people are not going to pick up that these are butted together. Where there should be a gap there, but you know, you make lemonade out of lemons. So it worked, and I think that's really super cute, and it's different to the one that I was sent as inspiration, but that's the idea of inspiration. You draw from it and you expand on it, so that's what I did. There you go. I love it. If you are interested in joining our group of scrappers from Australia and New Zealand, I'll have the group linked below, Girls Down Under. And if you've liked this video, give me the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.